This last project really had a chance to zone in on the blue team and focus on a really blue team facing problem. Logs. So many logs, so many different types of logs. Parsing those logs, querying those logs can be a big pain. Let's take a look at how this team approached this problem.
Hi everyone, my name is Haley, and with my teammates Lance and Plamen, we developed the program Lumberjack. One of the main responsibilities of cybersecurity analysts is being able to review company logs in order to retrieve specific information from them. However, one of the biggest challenges that they face is that companies normally have so much data for them to go through, which makes it essential that there's a quicker and an easier way for them to do this. So Lumberjack was created so that we can resolve this issue, and it is an interactive Python program that automates the process of identifying and parsing network, firewall, and web server logs for common queries. Jill, who is working as a cybersecurity analyst at a startup, is one of the cyber analysts that is tasked with reviewing an extensive network log in order to analyze the traffic flow on her company's network. She decides to use Lumberjack in order to help her do this. This was the best tool for her to use because it's open source, so it gives her the ability to add and edit the code to fit her needs. And now Plamen is going to show you how she's able to utilize this program.
Thank you, Haley. As you can see, Jill is able to use Lumberjack by inputting the command followed by the name of the log. The Lumberjack can detect what type of log she's getting and display the appropriate command line interface. After we build that feature using the PyInquirer Python library. After that, she can choose what type of options she wants. In this case, she needs the IPs and ports, and she selects those options and is presented with easily readable and colorized tables. We build those features using the pretty table and the Colorama Python libraries. After she gets this info, she can further analyze it using other tools in her toolbox. And now Lance will discuss some of the design challenges we faced.
Thank you. So Lumberjack was built in Python 3 because we want our app to be multi-platform, and because Python is the hottest language in 2019. Our program can be broken down into 4 parts: the detection module, the parsing module, the printing module, and an interactive layer that combines all these modules together. Like my teammate Haley mentioned earlier, we wanted Lumberjack to save you time. One of the ways that Lumberjack saves you time is by having an UI that shows you everything you need to know with one glance. We went back to the drawing board and produced a solution using tables and coloring. We wanted people like Jill to be able to use Lumberjack immediately. Instead of having to memorize or look up options, we chose the interactive UX design that reduced errors by only showing you working options for that given log type. And finally, we want Lumberjack to be open source, so we designed our code to be modular. Adding new features is as easy as creating a new file inside the scripts folder and adding an additional line of code. We can't wait to see what new features you will contribute to Lumberjack. And now Haley will show you how you can try out a program.
So if you would like to try out our program, you can use the following GitHub link in order to download Lumberjack onto your computer. And to make executing it even easier, we included an install script that creates a shortcut. So simply by typing the word Lumberjack, it'll run anywhere. So now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow, star, and contribute to our GitHub page.
Corey, you cannot imagine how many logs I've had to look through in my time as a blue teamer, and this tool really is something that I think will benefit blue teamers coming in the years to come.
Right. I think they put a lot of engineering thoughts into it too, right? Like the idea of this interactive mode to be able to like cache the current log, pre-process a lot of things, and then be able to just keep asking different queries. That's something that a lot of times small cyber tools overlook. And I think that they built this tool from the ground up in a way that's expandable, reusable, and modular. Really, really, really cool project to end that on.